Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the element with its ID. This is the only way for this method. Use document. Get element by ID, your ID to fetch it. Once you have the ID string, type it exactly. IDs are case sensitive. Make sure the element is present in the DOM when you run the code. Otherwise, you get null. If the page is dynamic, wait for DOM content loaded or run inside a script at the end of body so the element exists when you query it. Next, assign the new text once the element reference exists. You can use L. Text content equals new text for plain content. This prevents HTML injection. If you need markup, L. Inner HTML equals strong bold / strong, but only with trusted content. Also consider L. Inner text for user visible formatting differences in some browsers. Once done, validate by reading L. Text content back. Make sure to handle null. If the reference is null, abort and log an error rather than throwing an uncaught exception. Finally, finalize by placing the code where it runs after the DOM is ready. You can use document. Add event listener, DOM content loaded, equals / change here */, or include the script just before /body. Once done, test visually and via console to ensure the text updated and CSS hasn't hidden it. If it doesn't change, make sure the ID is unique and that no other script overwrote your change. Also clear caches and disable extensions to rule out interference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.